Hello everyone. Today I will be going to teach you about the concept of static routing. So basically what does static routing means? Static routing means we individually assign IP addresses to the PC present in the same network or in different network. To understand this, I'm going to take three networks in which two PCs will be there in each network. I've took two PCs in each network and now connecting these PCs with a switch. So there will be three switch, one switch in each network. After doing this, connect them with the copper straight through wire. You can connect to any port in switch. After doing this, now connect one router in each network because router here will be acting as a gateway. So you will be taking the PT router. Now the next step is connect the switch with the router with the same copper straight through wire. Remember you are connecting the switch with the router with that fast Ethernet 0 of the router 0 by 0. You should remember that. After doing this, now our first step is now we assign individually the IP addresses to the PC. So let me down the network. This is my network A. This is my network B. This is my network C. After doing this, now we will be giving manually the IP addresses to the PC. Go to the first step is go to desktop, IP configuration. Now write IP. Now this is a class C address because its range is from 192 to 223 because class A has the range from 0 to 127, class B has range from 128 to 191, and class C has range from 192 to 223, and class D has range from 224 to 239, and class E has range from 240 to 255. Remember that. Now look, this is a class C address, so it has a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Now we will give a default gateway. Remember, the default key that you will be writing here will be similar in all the nodes or PCs present in the network A. So I will be writing here 168.10.10. Now in same session PC 13 10.2 default gateway same. Now coming to network B. So network B, there will be some changes in network B. The first two digits will not be changed because these are the net ID. We will only make changes in the host ID. So we will make it as 11.1. Default gateway will also be different. So changes make it 11.10. Similar in PC 15. 11.2. 11.10. Now coming to network C, third network. We will come to 12.1 default gateway. All changes 12.10. This will also be same. 12.2 default gateway. 12.10. After doing this, now the second step is go to this router 3. To all the routers, go to configuration, fast Ethernet 0 on. Now your step should be write the default gateway which is connected. Now look, this router 3 is connected to network A. So we gave network A default gateway as 10.10. Do the same step. Look, this is a network B router. So it will have the default gateway of 11.10. 11.10. Now this router 5 is connected to network C. So it will also have the default gateway of 12.10 because it is connected to network C. 12.10. After doing this, now we will do the path process, which is static routing. Now connect this serial 2 of router 3 to this serial 2 port. Now I've seen that my friends what they do, they before writing the IP, they connect all the routers with this serial port. So I would do, I connect the first two routers manually and then assign IP one by one. So it's coming to serial 2 on. Now giving it also a different IP because it is a path or we can say hope, giving it as 10.0.0.1. Now look, the 10 part is common. Only we are making changes at the last digit which is 1. Now I will make changes in the router second as well. We have connected with serial 2 on 10.0.0.2. Only last digit change because it is a class A address. Writing its name, its common path, common IP is this. Now doing the same process with this, connecting the router second with the router third. You should remember that when you are clicking on this router, you're selecting routes serial 3. I have selected serial 3 here. You should connect the router 5 with serial 2 because it will be easy because serial 2, serial 2, serial 3 and serial 3. The only left here is 3 and here left is 2. So it will be easy for you to remember. Serial 3 on, giving it as IP 11.0.0.1. Close. If connected with serial 3 on 2. Now, this is our 11 path because we have taken the common. Only path left is first and the third router. The only also left is serial 3 and here it will be serial 2. Serial 3. Now we will be giving here IP 12.0.1. After doing this, your the most important step or the most important concept to be learned in this video is static, how to do static routing. This you all know, yeah, I know you can do. Now come to right. routers, routing. If you click on RIP, we will do the process of dynamic routing. But if you click on static, you will do the process of static routing. So in this video, I'm covering the topic of static routing. So we'll be clicking static here. Now look, there will be three options to be asked here: network, mask, and the next hop. So network means suppose we are sending the PD or the message from network A to network C. So the routers here are acting as a gateway. Suppose this router is sending message or PD to network C. So it can go to which paths? It can go to path, it can go with the path of 12 and 10. Now the routers coming in between are network B. Okay, I will explain you in this manner. Wait, go to routers. I've clicked on this router 1. Now look, the network. This router can send the message to two routers or the two network, because these two routers are the gateway of the individual network. So I'm clicking on this router first, network. Now you will be writing here the network of this router 4 and router 5. Now the router 4 is connected to network B. So network B has a default gateway 192.168.11.0. We will be taking the common IP because this part 192.168.11 is common in all this PC14 and PC15 as well. Only we are making changes at the last. Now look, I've clicked on this router third. As this can send message to two network B and network C, but there are two gateways, router 4 and router 5. So its default gateway of router 4 will be 11.0 because it is connected to network B. Now look, this is a class C address, so it will not come automatically. You have to write. You should remember that the class C subnet mask is, this is a subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Now hope you means the path, which path it will take. Now look, this is router 3. We need to send packet, suppose from PC 12 to PC 14. So it will, the most shortest path is this 10 path. So right here 10 and add it. Now suppose if I want to send the message from this PC 12 to network C PC 17. Now look, which is the shortest path? From 12 path of router 5. So router 5 is connected to network C, so it has default gateway of 12 because it is common 12.0. Some class C address, no changes. Now hope is changed. Hope will be 12 and add it. After doing this, you will be doing the same step in router 4 and router 5. Now note, there is a point to be noted that suppose if I want to send the message from PC 12 to PC 14, suppose, okay, and the path 10 is not there, so it will take the longest path, which is from 12. So we need to type that as well. So our destination network is 11 here. Now, if our 10 path is missing, so it will take the 12 path, it will go to 12, then 11, then it will go to network B. Now 11 is our destination network. Now hope will be taken 12. So add it. We are adding this all three paths in router first. This is only for router 3 or router first because we are sending the message from network A. Now close it. Do the similar step in router 4 and router 5. Static. This, now we have to send message suppose to router first now. Router 4, two gateways, router 3 and router 5. We will write their IP 192.168.10.0 because it is connected to network A 10.0, subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Hope is taken is here 10. Add. Now look, this router 4, we have sent the message to network A. Now if you want to send the message to network C, so its default gateway is 12. The hope is taken here is 11. 11. Add. Now suppose if the 11 path is missing, 11 path is missing, so it will take the 10 path, it will go to 10, then 12, then it will go to network C. So we will add that as well. The destination is 12 only, this 192.168.12.0 network C, but the path is changed. Now path is now is 10, because it will go this, go to 10th path, then 12, then go to network C. So we will add this as well. Close it. Make to the same step in router third. Now look, if we want to send the message from network C to network A, so from the router 5, router 3 network is 192.168.10.0. Mask is 255.255.255.0. If you will watch how I am assigning the IP, you will get to know what I am doing here. So the hope here is 12. Now if I want to send the message from this PC17 to PC12, so it will take the path 12 and its destination IP is this. So I wrote here destination IP is 10.0 this, and mask as class C address, and hope is taken here is 12. Added. Now if I want to send the message from network C to network B, so it will be 11 because network B is connected to the default gateway of 11. Now hope taken will be 11. Add. Now suppose if the 11 path is missing, so it will go from 12, then 10, then go to this network B. So the destination is 11 only, but the path will be changed here will be 12. Added. This is the whole process that I've done in before 5 minutes is the process of static routing. Close it. Now it's a process of output. Before doing that, click on simulation, show all LAN, edit filters, click on DNS and ICMP. ICMP stands for Internet Control Message Protocol and DNS stands for Domain Name System. Close it. Now if I want to send the message from this PC17 of network C to PC12 of network A, run. Now look, it has arrived from PC12. Now it will go back to the same PC. Its status is successful. The packet has been received. After doing this, now I have the exception cases. If suppose this, the 11 path is missing, I will be deleting this 11 path. Suppose if I want to send the message from PC17 of network C to PC14 of network B, the shortest path here was the PDU can take the 11, but 11th path is missing, so it will take the longest path, which is first go to this 12 path, router 3, then 10, then it will go to this network B. So run it. Look, this is how it's done. It will go back to the same PC. static routing is done or performed. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.